I will be making for you a smoothie today. So I have my bullet, I have my honeydew, this is mango, frozen mango, pineapple, ginger and turmeric, some ice, some exotic fruit and nut fusion, almond tail honey. And yes, now I'm gonna get ready to start now. Okay, all the ingredients. This is the pineapple, this is the mango, frozen mangoes, or the honeydew. These are the honeydew, so I'm gonna add them to the pot now. Okay, ginger and the turmeric. Some of this fruit and nut. Extra fruit and nut. Okay, adding some honey. So I'm gonna be adding roughly 2 teaspoons of honey, because most of the other fruits are sweet. Okay. Second teaspoon of honey. I've added some water out a cup, so I'm gonna add some ice now. Okay. I'm gonna close this now because I don't want it to be too full. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to blend this now. The bullet is now closed, so I'm gonna get ready to blend it. I'm adding additional ice and we're getting ready to blend a second time. Guys, my smoothie is ready. There you have it. Go ahead and try it, guys. It's delicious. Okay, and it's easy to make. You can use any other fruits you have available to make it. Okay, it's so refreshing. Homemade smoothie. Another one from my kitchen to your kitchen. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe, share with your family, and just have fun making this smoothie. It's heaven. It tastes so good. It's so delicious. Go ahead, guys, and make this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye. The sun is so hot today, so this is a perfect smoothie. Very cool and refreshing.